Emerald.
I lost my money, I lost my mind, but I ain't lose my job. I'm traveling states in different zones, but I'm not checking the time. Can't cry, gotta wipe my eyes. It's lonely at the top, but I'm fine. Don't wanna go out, no wine and dine. Keep zoning out, I'm losing my mind. I lost my money, I lost my mind, but I ain't lose my job. I'm traveling states in different zones.
I'm gonna have to clear some shit out. Y'all see what's going on. This is a good view. Like at first I was like, what the fuck is this shit? But now I'm like, okay, I could dig it. You see what I'm saying? No, I'm still ready for the penthouse. Penthouse gonna be crazy. Like we're gonna go to one more B&B between this, and that's gonna be like a filler episode, you know? And then we're gonna have the final episode. You see what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned, man. We in Puerto Rico, jefecito, papito, backwardito, and all type of shit like that. Good old alcohol. You know, I'm always basic with it. Like, I'm always simple. I don't ever do too much unless too much is needed. You see what I'm saying?
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Time to eat. Damn. Got a little bit of everything. Damn, that's all the beans we got.
We out here. Really in Puerto Rico now. You thought we were in Puerto Rico, but now we're really in Puerto
Zipline
Rico.
Park. Puerto Rico, I'm inside of you. Sheesh. Excursion Hefe. I don't like her no more.
What's new?
We really going on this little cave thing so I can leave her body in the bottom of the lake.
Wow. Okay, you thought the style.
Yeah, I thought I pointed it out exactly. Make it look like a trip. But hey man, it's bright and early. We woke up at 6:30. We drove an hour and a half. Now we here, you see what I'm saying? So if you ain't never drove an hour and a half while traveling, you ain't really traveling. You see what I'm saying? What the fuck is you doing? You see what I'm saying? But hopefully y'all get to see what the fuck going on. So I'm gonna bring y'all back. I ain't even hit my blunt yet, so hopefully I get to hit my blunt. And then I'll be in my right mind. You see what I'm saying? We done brought A-Leave to Puerto Rico. You see what I'm saying? He just breezed past that shit. Oh, cliff jump big. You don't have to. So we on a motherfucking 5 to 6 hour journey. You see what I'm saying? We got
Hour one.
a whole hike to go. So yeah, hour one. This is actually 10 minutes, but I'm gonna bring y'all back on hour one. Alright, so we're gonna check in with y'all about an hour, every hour. Unless there's something we doing. If we zip lining, we caved it, whatever we doing, then y'all gonna be there obviously. But the walking in between, y'all just gonna have to get some B-roll and shit like that. You see what I'm saying? But hey man, go outside today, do something active. It ain't even gotta be productive. Just do something active today, man. We outside. We in the middle of the motherfucking woods. You know, it's a beautiful day, man. You gotta take time to relax and stop thinking about everything all the time. You know what I'm saying? Just bring your ass outside. What they said, the compass was made before the clock because direction is way more important than time. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? I'm ready to this motherfucker. Level 1. That was level 1 for sure. That had to be level 1. What you feeling? That was easy. She was down there about to bust her ass. So.
I did not even slip one time.
Was that easy or hard? What you rated? 1 out of 5?
3.
3? I say that was like a 1.
1?
Yeah, so level 1, she gave it a 3, I give it a 1.
2.
Let's see what else I got. Alright, she's gonna say 2 now. I'm gonna switch to 1 and 2. I'm already shirt off, so not because like it was hard though, but you know, might as well just let it, might as well get into character now. Whatever he said. Bro, we supposed to be cave tubing, bro, not hiking and backflipping and just shaking ass. We ain't supposed to be doing all that. Alright, fuck it though. Woo.
Step on the highest point, bro. Both feet are gonna be right there on the top. Both feet on the wall. There you go.
Yeah. We made it. Damn. Okay. Got you. Did they come down this way?
Yeah. I saw people walking with them.
Hey, backwoods, man. I don't know if I'm the first one or not, but look, bro, we vanilla backwoods in the middle of a rainforest in the cave. You see what I'm saying? You know they say they smoke woods on wood in the woods. You see what I'm saying? But hey, I'm big backwoods in the cave. You see what I'm saying? Like, stop fucking playing with me, backwoods. Puerto Rico, we're inside of you. We're deep inside of you. I'm about to start an adventure channel, y'all. Fuck it. But this is I don't even know. It must be like an hour and a half in, maybe. 12:20. So yeah, we like what, 2 hours in, really. But we're a little late. river, whatever the fuck you want to call it, but I'm gonna bring y'all back when we get to where we're going. He said right here. He said it's filtered by the rocks. If he's been doing it for 7 years, you know, I'm gonna trust him. Ooh! Hey, nah, for real, you ain't never drunk water from a cave. You never did that.
Oh my God.
Now you want me to got me in here. Now you want me to leave it? Let's go. Now you don't want to leave?
That shit crazy. They got y'all. I know I scratched all on the way in. So.
This is some rocks. No, I think they throw the tubes over, so I think.
I don't know what mile we on. I don't know what hour we on. But bitch, we in a cave now. So there's that. I'm gonna bring y'all back when we get more into it. I'm tripping. Yeah, I like that stuff. I'm like, how am I floating? Oh yeah, look, we are back by the. I'm on 0%, so that means this mission was a success. The rest of it, y'all probably not gonna see. Y'all might see. I don't fucking know. 0%. So. Sheesh, my phone. My camera's on 0%, but we made it out the caves. We're about to get some food. I'm just giving y'all a quick check-in. Y'all can see my shit back there. It's all dirty. We made it. Y'all gonna see the footage. Y'all gonna see everything that happened. Boom, and then I'm gonna show y'all the food we about to eat. Let's get it. I know I keep eating the same thing. I know. I'm sorry. I'm basic. I'm simple. It is what it is. But hey, this is what we eating. The fucking cave shit was a success. We got some more shit coming. You see what I'm saying? 0% still. I'm about to do a whole 0% vlog. You see what I'm saying?
I lost my money, I lost my mind, but I ain't lose my drive. I'm traveling states in different zones, but I'm not checking the time.